Oh, hi, it's me, Hal. Welcome to the yard. I bury all kinds of stuff out here, but sometimes, or many times, or always, I forget where I put them. Hey, you could help me dig up all kinds of cool stuff in the yard. What do you say, would ya? I wonder what we'll find this time. 3, 2, 1! Each round has one. Oh, that's grass. Oh, that's part of a fossil. Dig around it. That's the bottom. Pick a new spot. Spots with rocks are covered. Oh, that's part of a fossil. Dig around it. Next round. Oh, that's part of a fossil. Dig around it. Nothing. Ooh, that's a good one. Next round! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig up other squares to uncover it. Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig around it. No, that's part of a fossil! Dig up other squares to uncover it. Next round! Adding time to the clock! Zip. Next round! Adding time to the clock! Ooh, bonus time! Next round! Ooh, adding time to the clock! Next round! Oh, that's part of the adding time to the clock! Hey, nice find! Next round! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig around it! That's the bottom! Pick a new... Yay! Next round! Next round! Oh, nothing there. Zilch! Whoa! Check out that fossil! That's okay, keep going! Adding time to the clock! Next round! Yes, that's okay, keep going! Ooh! Yay, you did it! Next, that's part of the fossil! Ooh, bonus time! That's the bottom! Pick a new spot! Keep digging! Whoa, check out that fossil! Next round! Nothing. Time to the clock! Oh, nothing there. On to the next round! Oh, that's part of the fossil! Dig up other squares to uncover it. On to the next round! Next round! Whoa, check out that fossil! Nothing there. Adding time. Nothing. That's okay, keep going. Make that 0. Nothing. That's okay, keep going. Keep adding time to the clock. Nothing there. Yay, you did it! Next round! Ooh, bonus time! Next round! Nothing. That's the bottom! Pick a new spot! Zilch. Nothing. Ooh, bonus time! Yay, you did it! that's part of a fossil! Dig up others, adding time to the clock! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig around it! Next round! Oh, bonus time! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig up others... Whoa! Check out that fossil! Next round! Oh, bonus time! Zilch! Nothing. Next round! Adding time to the clock! Nothing. On to the next round! Next round! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig around! Yay! Next round! Adding time to the clock! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig around it! Next round! Oh, that's part of a fossil! Dig up adding... Oh, you found a toy! Keep going, we need to find the fossil. Zip! On to the next round! That's part of a fossil! Dig up other squares to uncover it! Oh, hey! Welcome back! I'm still Hal! You want to dig some more? Welcome to the doghouse! It's bigger than it looks from outside, huh? Everything we dig up is kept in here, so take a look around. Whoa, check out all the fossils! Oh, look at all the toys we found! Hey, you want to play with my toys? I love to share. Oh, I'll get it! We haven't found that yet. New fossil! New fossils! Hey, let's try and put them together to build this dinosaur! Whoa, check out all the fossils! New fossil! New fossils! Hey, let's try and put them together to build this dinosaur! Whoa, check out all the fossils! New fossil! Wow, look at that fossil! Whoa, check out all the fossils! Oh, hey, welcome back! I'm still Hal! You want to dig some more? Oh boy, time to go digging! 3, 2, 1! Each round has one fossil to... Hey, nice find! Grass takes 2 digs to get to the bottom. Whoa, check out that fossil! Spots with rocks are tougher. It takes longer to break through them. That's okay, keep going! Zip! No, that's part of the fossil! Dig up other squares to uncover it. Hey, nice find! Next round! Oh, nothing there. Next round! No, nothing. That's okay, keep going! Ooh, that's a good one. Nothing next. Next move, bonus time. That's okay, keep going. That's the bottom. Pick a new spot. Adding time to the clock. Yay! Oh, that's part of the fossil. Dig up other squares to uncover it. That's the bottom. Next move, bonus time. Oh, bonus time. Yay! Zip. Ooh, bonus. On to the next round. That's the bottom. Pick up my Eddie. Whoa, check out that fossil. Next round. That's the bottom. Pick up your spot. Yes, you did it. Next round. Next round. Back hero. On to the next round. Next round. That's the bottom. Pick a new spot. Oh, nothing there. Hey, nice find. That's part of the fossil. Dig around it. That's okay. Keep going. Zilch. Nuts. On to the next round. Okay, keep going. Take back hero. Nothing. Nothing. At the bottom. This spot. Zip, adding time to the clock. Next round, that's part of a fossil. Adding, bonus time. Next round. Zip, adding time to the clock. Ooh, that's a good one. Next round. Keep digging. Next round! Nothing! That's the fossil! Whoa! Check out that fossil! Next round! If you want to check out the stuff we've dug up, it's in my doggy house!